This dude Ben is going to show us how he restores an old teak herringbone floor, and the end result is immaculate. So the first thing that Ben is going to do is he goes in and cuts up every single one of these pieces of wood, cleans underneath them, and then reapplies new glue to just secure them more tightly to the ground. Now he's ready to sand them all down, make sure they're nice, flat, even, and smooth. But he goes in even deeper. He gets every single crack, crevice, and corner, cleans up all the dirt, make sure it's absolutely immaculate. Now I gotta say, because a lot of chicks like to talk crap about men saying they're completely worthless and they don't need them at all, I'm like, bro, everybody needs a Ben in their life. Look at how good this looks. He just applied the coat and it looks as good as new. Now this floor originally could have been anywhere from 40 to 50 years old, but Ben came through and made it brand spanking new.